Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be using a foam cannon on a Range Rover. What we're going to do is we're going to mix the foam half with Bilt Hambers snow foam and half with the Meguiars shampoo to see what kind of effect we're going to get. Now the reason I'm doing this is I'm trying to get a thicker foam generated from a mobile pressure washer. Since we lack the power, we're experimenting with a few recipes to try and get a better effect. The foam appears to be a lot thicker, but it's still quite watery. It's running off the car too quickly. We need to go for a few more passes and see what we can come up with. And again, with a very soft bristle brush, we're going to go over the heavily affected areas on the car and then move into the rinse stage. Now there's a lot of product on the car at the moment, which reduces the friction from the brush and the paintwork. Now I can see a really big difference already. You can see the shine that the Meguiars shampoo has left on the car. Some of those nano waxes are really creating striking results. stage I'm going to carefully remove any remaining soap and water left on the car. I use a squeegee for this on a telescopic rod. This allows me to reach on the top of the roof. Moving around the windows, this will allow the drying stage to be a lot easier. Once dried off, here is the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments below.